like as you can see, it's mad stiff. Like, I mean, it don't look good. Like, look at the inside, it's matted. Like, this is not cute. I don't think I ever washed this wig. So I'm gonna wash this wig. Show y'all how to wash my wig, how to wash a wig, a synthetic wig. Yeah. So what you're gonna need is shampoo. This is new, I never tried it. It's by African Essence Control Wig Shampoo for human and synthetic. Wigs, weaves, and hair pieces, conditions, moisturizes, softens, helps extend the life of wigs and weaves. Yeah. What it says directions. Add a couple of control wig shampoo to a basin of lukewarm water. Gently swish, lifting the hair piece up and down. That's what I usually do anyway. You're gonna need a wig brush. You're gonna need a little, well, if you have like a tripod, you won't need it. But to let my wig dry, I usually hang it up on this thing. I'm at school, mind you, so I'm still at school. You're gonna need like a piece to hold your wig head. And you're gonna need a wig head. She's been through some things, so don't like laugh at me. I think she's beautiful. Yeah, I had to cast her head a little bit. So she's been through it. She's loyal. She hasn't broke yet. She was like $2, $3. So you know what? This was a great investment. Get you one of these, get you one of these, get you a little bit of wig, and you're good to go. So first thing you do, you have like your basin or your little like container. You're gonna fill it with water. I'm gonna fill it at this sink because more water comes out. And this is lukewarm, but I do hot water, so I'm gonna do hot water. This thing with water. Oh, I usually have to stand it like diagonally because it won't like sit. And I'm gonna pour some soap in. I'll take pictures of how much soap I put in, so when I do, it smells good. It smells kind of like Play-Doh actually. I'm gonna just pour in some soap. They said a couple of spoons full, but I just see what looks good. I'm gonna take a picture of this so I can insert it in the video. If I drop my phone, I'm gonna be tight. So it's kind of a lot of soap. And they say swish it around. And really I'm just gonna dunk it in because this wig, and that's really it. It's really easy. Just needs more soap. I would say like, yeah, it's really easy. You dunk it. The thing about the synthetic wigs also, you don't have to. You can use conditioner. I used to use conditioner, but like, to be honest, it's fake, it's plastic hair, so why do you need a conditioner? I'm not gonna waste my conditioner on some plastic hair. You know, I'm wasting shampoo. But yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it in there. I should have detangled it beforehand, but I don't usually do that. And I'm gonna wash the top a little bit more because as you can see, there's so much built-in concealer here. Like, that's not even my finger trying to do. That's how much, like, I don't believe I ever washed this wig. I have like, got to be glued all in the front of it. I swear, the shampoo better work because I made my sister spend $3.99 on it. Yeah, I feel like the water is turning like red. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse it out more. I'm gonna wash it more. Yeah, don't wash your wigs like you would wash your hair, rubbing it around. Really just like rub it down. Rub the soap through it, not really in it. Because it'll mat up. You will not be able to ever wear your wig again. This is not human hair. So I'm gonna dump the water out. It's kind of like red. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna take my wig brush. brush. This is my favorite brush, by the way. And just start at the bottom like you would do usually and just comb it out. Oh, the inside is gonna kill me. This is what you don't want. Always brush the nape of your wig, always. This one I haven't worn in a while, and if I did, I clearly wasn't caring, because now I have like huge knots in it. And, oh, here we go, it's coming out. I should probably try to comb it this way so you can see how bad that knot is. Whoa, this is huge. I'm just gonna take it out. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to rip that out. Shampoo in it anymore, but obviously you can tell the difference right away. And I'm just gonna let this air dry. So you open this thing, put this thing in here, or like wherever you're gonna put it. Obviously y'all don't live where I live. I secure this thing back on. I look so horrendous, like I look so ugly. This is why I don't wear my natural hair, I hate it. Okay, secure that thing, put your wig back on it. And I'm just gonna let this hang here until it air dries because I don't own a blow dryer. I'm back after a couple of hours. This is how the wig looks after I washed it, and y'all saw that. I air dried it, so this is how it looks like completely air dried. I didn't put any heat on it. I didn't put any other product in it. I washed it, I air dried it. I came back after like 6 hours or whatever, and then this is how it looks. Nice and move, like it's swinging. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's moving. It's not stiff like it was. It's not nappy like it was. It's nice. It's shiny, but not too overwhelmingly shiny. It's really nice. Like, that shampoo really like did good, and I feel like it removed grease and oil instead of like washing, if that makes any sense. So that's really good. And once I like straighten it and bump the bottom and like do all that extra stuff I have to do, it'll look so bomb. But yeah. I know my hair looks different than it did earlier, but that's because it was hot today and I had to put my hair up in something. And I'm probably gonna either braid it down to put this on or do something else to it. But yeah, that's really it. That's how you wash and restore your synthetic wigs. And it's quick. Like, you wash it, you can set it out to dry, and then come back and it should be dry. It doesn't take that long. Yeah, I'm filming in all different spots because my room is in the process of like moving. I'm moving stuff in, so I haven't been using my backdrop, but yeah, besides the point. I'm just letting y'all know why I'm not in my regular spot. And yeah, this is the wig. I washed another wig, if y'all want to see it. I'm not just lying when I say this shampoo did justice, because my other wig looks good too. Like, tangles are out, it's soft, like it's silky. I don't remember how this felt when I first bought it, but this feels really good. This feels like really good. And it feels natural. But this wig always felt natural. Like, the hair, like, it don't feel like my natural hair texture, but it feels like it could be somebody's hair. So, I'm gonna try to link that this wig below. I don't remember the name of it all that much. The tag says it came from Shake and Go. I don't know which brand that is. That's probably Free Trust or something, but I'll find it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope that you learned how to wash wigs, like if you didn't know, and if another video was hard for you to understand, or like what did they use. Really, you can use anything, but I probably, after using that shampoo, I would suggest using like shampoo made for synthetic hair, synthetic wigs, because it really did make a difference. Like, I've washed it before, but I don't think it's ever been this clean. It's had residue from the shampoo, and I don't feel like this shampoo left residue. I feel like it just stripped the oil off and just left the synthetic fibers like completely clean. So I would definitely say use that shampoo. But yeah, even though I said this before, thank you for watching, and thank you for being subscribed to me. And if you're not yet subscribed, click subscribe, click the bell, get your notifications, because like, it's ridiculous. Y'all need to help me out. At this point, I'm getting like frustrated. Y'all need to just hurry up and subscribe. But yeah, besides from that,